Hello, this is Big Joe and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be changing the bar on the chainsaw. It locked up. Lack of oil. Well, it was getting oil, but I think it was just too old. This bar is probably about 4 or 5 years old. This is a brand new chainsaw, and the very first time I used this saw, the bar screwed up, so I just put my old Craftsman bar on here. But it's pretty easy to change. All you need is your actual tool for the chainsaw. And I've already loosened up these bolts or nuts. You just take them off. Move them to the side. Slide your cover off. And when you get done, you want to clean this out, because you don't want this trash in here. Take your chain off. And lay it down like this. Then here's the old bar. This end locked up, and then it just cut it all to pieces. So, I bought a brand new 18-inch bar. Universal, fits Poland, Craftsman. Although it does not say Craftsman on it, which I wanted it to, it says Oregon double guard 18-inch bar. And it's got one of these tight twist screw type things, which I really like. And it's metal. The first one I ever got was plastic, and it broke like the first week. And then it's got a hole for this screw with the bar here, so I can also double tight it, which I really like. So you just put it on the chainsaw and put it all the way close. Then you put the new chain on here, or the chain back on, excuse me. Get it down all in the grooves. Then tighten it up. Here we go. Tighten it up a little bit more. Now we put this back on, and I'll have to line it up with the holes and with the bolt, or the hole on the bottom. That should be about lined up. There we go. Now we're going to put these nuts back on. We're not going to tighten it all the way. We will tighten it just to snug it. Okay, it's just snug. I like to tighten this little screw here on the bottom. Tightens the chain on up. Needs to tighten a little bit more. Then come up here and tighten this up. It's almost tightened. Tighten that a little bit more. And then we tighten this up a little bit more, and it's pretty tight. It's not so tight that you can't pick this up. You want to have a little bit of looseness. And then you tighten the nuts on up. change the bar on a chainsaw. That is the same for Poulan and Craftsman saws. There's the new bar on the chainsaw. And where did I lay that old one? I lost it that fast. Oh, here it is. Here's the old bar. That end is totally ruined. So, thank you for watching. This has been with Big Joe and how to change a bar and put the chain back on a Poulan / Craftsman chainsaw.